If it were up to us, we would seek criminal charges against every daycare that risks the lives of children. Unfortunately, it's not that simple. In cases of daycare and childcare injuries, there are two types of charges that can come into play: criminal and civil. Today, I want to explain the difference between these charges, who controls them, and what kind of resolution they can bring for families who've been affected by a daycare or childcare injury. Let's start with criminal charges. The state brings criminal charges when a daycare worker's actions are so reckless or intentional they violate the law. Prosecutors, typically the district attorney's office, handle these charges. These charges can result in penalties like fines, probation, or even jail time for those responsible. The goal of criminal charges is to punish wrongdoers and protect the public from further harm. But here's the thing: parents don't control whether criminal charges are filed. That decision is entirely up to law enforcement and the prosecutors. They will investigate the incident, and if they believe a crime has been committed, they will pursue criminal charges. Unfortunately, in many daycare injury cases, criminal charges aren't always filed, even when the wrongdoing is severe. This is often because the standard of proof in a criminal case is very high. It requires proving guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. That's where civil charges come in. Civil charges, or civil claims, are brought by the injured party. In this case, the parents of the children who were harmed. The goal of a civil claim is different from a criminal case. Instead of seeking punishment, a civil claim aims to hold the daycare accountable by securing a life-changing result for the victim. This can include covering medical expenses, pain and suffering, and the impact on your family's life. If your child has been injured at daycare and criminal charges aren't filed, or even if they are, you can still seek civil charges to hold the daycare accountable. At the Button Law Firm, we focus on civil cases because we know how important it is for families to get justice, even when the criminal justice system doesn't step in. A civil claim allows you to take control of the situation, get answers, and seek the recovery your child and family deserve. Our team has extensive experience handling daycare and childcare injury cases, and we're here to help you navigate the complexities of both criminal and civil options. We'll stand by your side and fight to ensure your child's rights are protected and that the daycare is held accountable. If your child has been hurt at daycare, you don't have to go through this alone. Whether criminal charges are filed or not, you have the right to pursue justice through a civil claim. If you have more questions but aren't ready to talk to us just yet, we've created a free 5-step guide on what to do after a daycare injury. It's linked below. We're here to keep you and your family moving forward.